Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we're out on Miller Canyon Road. Is that right? Miller Canyon Road here close to Sierra Vista, Arizona. We done the one the other day, Car Canyon. This is Miller Canyon. I don't know if it's as good or not because we've not been up this one yet either. It's Coronado National Forest. Had to stop here and take a drink, get things recording. But we'll see how this one is. Got a car stopped up here.
Wonder if they're seeing if we're coming up that way.
Maybe. Or wondering, is this where the mall is? Because I don't see it. Hope she don't want to ask us anything because we don't know nothing.
Yeah.
She's
Looks
talking
like
on
she's talking on the phone.
yeah, she's talking on her phone. So my son Scotty's, who's behind me on the CRF300L, he's recording too on his GoPro. He's trying to get the butt shots.
Yep.
Trailhead parking. Got a bathroom there, I guess. It said Miller's Peak, but I don't know if that goes up to the peak or what, but you would think it would. Check out them rocks. What is that?
I don't know.
Just look and see while we're here. Probably says no motorcycles. Camping. I guess it's just a camp area, and there's one like you could put a tent down there.
Oh yeah.
Telling
Not
campers
bad.
to bury their fire when they're done. Put it out. I don't know, but if you was camping right there, these cars come down this road, it would be dusty.
Yeah.
By the time you get your burgers on the grill, you'd have them layered in dust. We seen some rain coming over toward these mountains earlier. It must have evidently it's on the other side of the mountain. There's something, there's a deer up here.
Yep.
One,
I see
two, I've
him.
seen three. There's one there.
Oh.
One right there. The other ones went behind that brush right there. It's crazy the deer out here, how they're so brave. I mean,
We've seen them almost non-stop at
yeah,
this
it's
point.
crazy. We went up another one, a road before we didn't actually video because it really wasn't worth video, and it's called Ramsey Canyon Road, but it just goes up a little ways and that's it. But we did see some turkey up there and a deer. What's that? Is that more campsites?
No shooting.
No shooting. Yep, keep the gun put up then.
I was gonna say you can't be rolling no video.
Oh man, yeah, that's true. No shooting video. Think before you light it. There's a deer right here.
Right in
Going,
front.
yeah, it's going right where we're going. It's facing across the road in front of me. It's crazy the deer. I definitely have seen more deer in Arizona than I see on any of the rides really out in Missouri. In just the last what 3 days?
I mean,
Two,
we've
two
had to have
days.
seen over 20 deer.
Yeah, 3 days. Yeah, it's crazy. So we went yesterday evening. Took the wives up with the Gladiator up on that last trail that we went, that car canyon. Showed them that. We seen tons of deer there. And what is all this? Is it just campgrounds or?
I don't know. It may just be some land that people aren't using really.
I have no idea. I mean, how do you get over to that one? Unless it goes around this way. And that one just loops there. I don't see how it goes around there. We missed it right down there, maybe. Unless it's right there. No, not there. Huh. Don't step your foot in the hole.
Well, I'm trying to watch for it.
Watch for holes. If you hit a hole, watch your mouth. You think there'd be another way to the other side over there? Because it looks like camp spots over there or something. Don't know. We can come back to this spot sometime too and check it out in more detail.
Looks like a mess of roads
See
going
that?
every which direction.
Yeah, that road is blocked off.
Yeah.
Now this would be evidently dispersed camping here, looks like.
I didn't see any payment posts like they have over
Yeah,
next door.
I would say this is just totally dispersed camping, which would be cool. I mean, save you $15 a day. It's not up on the mountain. Now, up on the mountain, that's probably where you got to pay if we go up there.
But you don't get all the amenities.
That's right. I noticed that road when we pulled in was kind of sandy. I could feel it under my tires.
Yeah.
Soft and sandy. Catch me riding dirty. There's deers in the road up here. My gosh, there's deer everywhere. Pull up here to my left, or you say the right, whatever. But see them?
Yeah.
Three, I
Just
think,
standing there.
or two.
Two. Three. No, there was a third one right off to the left.
I thought there was. It's crazy, the deer. I don't know. I mean, there's so many. It'd be hard to count all these deer we've been seeing. There they are. See that one up there, way up there.
Oh yeah.
That's a little dude there, but they're all small. I mean, I don't know what they are. They do look like a whitetail.
That one's about to run up in front of you. Be careful. On your left.
On my left.
Yep, on your left.
Oh,
There's
was there
right
one?
there.
Was there one down in that hole?
Yeah, he's the one that ran off to the side.
Oh, I can't see it.
He's right on the other side of that bush right there.
Still don't see it. The things are camo, man.
He was right there.
Oh, is that down there?
Okay.
Yeah, I just barely caught a glimpse of him.
Well, and he was walking right up around to you, and I was like, you better not jump in the way.
Yeah. Good thing I'm going slow. 10 mile an hour, 12. There's a guy in Arkansas there I knew that had a little DUALSPORT adventure shop, but he was doing 35 hit a deer, and it messed him up pretty good at 35. It messed his bike up pretty good at him, too. So you wouldn't want to hit one. I mean, this speed here, you'd probably be okay. But you get up there at 35 and up, the faster you go, the more pain.
I'd be surprised if a deer let you hit them going this slow.
I don't know. These here, they might just stand there and say, what?
Yeah, they're like, I didn't even notice you were there.
It says no shooting on the sign.
That's probably what it is. They know that you're not allowed to shoot here, so they're like,
yeah,
try it.
yeah. If it's like Missouri, the poachers will do it anyway. Of course, maybe it ain't because they're here in Missouri. I'm telling you, or Arkansas. There's so dang many poachers, it's unreal.
Yeah.
I'm not a poacher, but I am one to believe if my family's hungry and I didn't have a license or it was out of season and my family's hungry and I didn't have no food or no way to get food, I'd go kill a deer. You know, I'm going to feed my family. But I'm not a poacher. I do obey all the laws. Hey, check this out. It's a bowl like in the sand dunes. Remember them bowls?
Yeah, like the one where I blew my piston.
Yeah, where you blow the piston out of the 250X or 300, whatever it was. 300, wasn't it?
At the time, it was a 250X, and then after we
right.
After we blew it up, we stuck a 300EX motor in it.
That's right. Yeah, we just had a.
It's my gray 250X with the Woody Woodpecker.
Yeah, and then we put that 300 motor in it. That's right.
It had the gray and red racing cut plastic and the Woody Woodpecker on it.
Mm-hmm. He was hot rodding it, showing off.
I was getting stupid there out in the desert.
That was fun.
That was the first time I really jumped a four-wheeler.
Yeah. That's the best place to jump them, in the sand. It's more forgiving.
I'm pretty sure because I remember everybody was egging me on, saying, you got to jump it, you got to jump it. I did it. He said just pour it on, and I did it.
Yeah.
Because I remember Carl was egging me on, and then I think Mike let me ride his Raptor out there too.
Yeah, I remember
that sucker had some more power.
Yeah, it was a 660.
Yeah. Fun.
That's a pretty cool road so far. Hopefully the wind ain't messing with the video too much.
No, this is great practice for me. I'm feeling good about it. Just keep paying attention. Just keep working on it. It's so much fun.
I can tell you, good gravelly, rocky roads like this is really good at learning. I mean, you learn a lot on the gravel.
I'm sitting forward on the seat as much as I can and just trying to work at it.
You especially learn when you got the tires aired up to 21 psi like we do. We didn't air our tires down.
Yeah.
Because we don't know where we're going, what we're getting into, so we didn't air down. But
I definitely noticed a difference when we lowered them on that motocross track. I mean, it was a huge difference to me.
Well, looks like we're at the end of it. That wasn't much.
It's still a nice little road, and there's that little section there where you could go back and forth, that little spaghetti area.
Right.
That was nice.
Private drive. Let's say here. No vehicles.
But it's another trail. Look at that Miller Peak 6 1/4 mile trail up to the top of that mountain.
The one I see says Miller Canyon Trail 10.6. Is that?
Right,
or no, 106.
Yeah. It says
number 106. Never mind.
And then it says Miller Peak. To get to the peak, it's 6 1/4 mile walk. I mean, that's a good one.
Yeah,
that's a good walk.
Cool. The trail is that way. No dogs, or keep your dogs. Pets must be on a leash. Okay, at least you can have them on a leash. Some places they don't allow your dogs, but I think that's stupid.
It seems like most places here aren't like that. They just say keep your dogs on a leash and pick up after them.
Yeah, a lot of them down there in Arkansas, you can't have a dog even on a leash. Well, that's stupid. What's wrong with your dog being with you?
Did you guys run into a lot of camping places like that when you're trying to find places to camp when you're going up to Blue Ridge?
But no dogs, never.
Yeah.
Never.
I figured it wasn't that bad out there.
It's just on some of the trails, the hiking trails, they don't want your dog. I guess probably because there's a lot of pinheads that will let their dog crap right in the middle of the trail and they don't clean it up. You know?
True.
That's probably why. I don't know any other reason why you couldn't have a dog. So, well, this was worth checking out anyway. So, a little short video.
Fleas and ticks.
Yeah, it did say that.
I was just saying, I wonder if one reason could be excessive fleas and ticks.
Surely not.
I mean, I doubt. I mean, you can get flea and tick medicine.
They're excessive anyway, but down there in Arkansas, Missouri anyway.
Yeah. I still haven't seen a single tick the entire time we've been here.
I haven't got one yet. Praise the Lord.
not a bad little road. It's better than that other one, than Ramsey.
Yeah. That's because it don't go up the hill.
Yeah.
If it went up that mountain, it wouldn't be that smooth.
Yeah.
You can just see even on this corner where the cars kick it out and make it rough. But I like it rough. I can hear my fan kicking in.
I can feel it.
You can feel the heat come out there on the right leg whenever
Yeah.
that fan kicks in.
Well, no, I was saying I could feel yours.
Oh, yeah, that's one heck of a fan. If you're feeling it back there.
This is nice though. Like on these downhills on the way back, you're just cruising.
Yeah. We come down that one. We stopped the video when we went down, and we pretty much all the way just shut off the bikes, put them in neutral, and just coasted all the way down that mountain on that car canyon. That's the best one so far.
There was one little spot where we got just slow enough coming up right up that little uphill.
Yeah. I rate that one pretty high as a good ride. I mean, I would rate it the car canyon maybe at a 6, and now it's only because it just don't go on. You know, it goes up there in dead ends. It's beautiful and everything. This one here is good. I wouldn't want to rate it. I wouldn't be pushing it to rate it a 5. It's just not long enough, and it dead ends too. So
it might be like a 4.
Yeah, a 4 on rating a scale to 1 to 10. Now 10, that's going to be a road that it has nice switchbacks. It's dirt like this, and it don't even have to be dirt. It can be paved as long as it goes up through the mountain, and it don't just dead end. It comes out somewhere.
Views count too. That's why I give Car like an 8, because it still leaves a little bit of wiggle room. Because it's hard to give this a 4 and Car a 7. Because I mean, Car's like double good of this. I mean, it's so long compared to this.
Right, and this one has good views, but you're looking up at the mountains there. The Car Canyon, the views are from up there looking down, and it's the impressive views on Car Canyon. This one, the views are good. But you're looking up at the hills. You're not up there in them looking down.
Hey, either way, you get to see some deer more than likely.
Right. No doubt about that. If you want to see deer and wildlife, and even a chance of turkey, either one of these would be good, I'm sure.
There was like a whole herd of turkeys over on
Ramsey. Yeah, no doubt. That was good. To see that many turkey. I told him, I said, I ain't seen that many turkey in Missouri in a long, long time. We've seen some on our Go Wing adventure. Some pretty good messes of turkey, but messes don't sound like I'm going to eat them.
That's what they're for.
Because a good mess of turkey. Well, yeah, that's what they're made for. For me. So, okay, guys, kind of a shorter video. The last video made up for it because I think it was like 50 minutes. It was getting close to an hour, that video. This one's a little shorter, but it's a good little ride just if you're out in this area just to take this road to check it out. And if you want to do hiking, now if you do this hiking, I can't rate the hiking trail, but that would rate it higher because it does have the hike trails. I can't rate the hike trails because I haven't hiked them yet. But pretty nice little trail. This is Miller's Canyon or Miller's Peak. That's where it goes to. So thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe down below. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.